In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the landing page in Thinkific. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can confidently update the presentation of your offering without getting lost in the interface. Start by heading to your admin dashboard. This is your central control room in Thinkific, where all settings and content live. If you're already logged in, you'll typically land here automatically. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct site account if you manage more than one, since the options you see are tied to the specific site you're working on. Next, click Products. This is where Thinkific groups everything you can sell or showcase, and it ensures you're editing the right item. You'll see categories like courses, digital downloads, coaching, and webinars. Each product type has its own landing page, so picking the correct one is key to making sure your edits appear in the right place. Choose the product you want to update. If you run multiple offerings with similar names, look for small details like a unique thumbnail or a brief description to be sure you've selected the right one. Think of this choice as setting the stage before you start editing. You're telling Thinkific, "This is the page I want to adjust." Go to the Landing Page tab. This tab is dedicated to the public-facing page that potential students or clients will see. It's different from your curriculum or product settings. Instead of affecting content delivery or pricing, it controls how the page looks and what information is presented to visitors before they enroll or purchase. Now click Edit Page to open the page editor. This launches the visual editing experience where you can see your page layout and the sections that make it up. Inside the editor, you'll typically see a live preview, along with tools to fine-tune elements like headlines, images, course descriptions, instructor details, and testimonials. While you're here, focus on clarity and consistency. Make sure your headline clearly communicates the value of your product, your imagery reflects your brand, and your call to action is easy to spot. If you're using theme sections, keep an eye on spacing and typography so the page feels cohesive. It's also helpful to glance at how the content flows from top to bottom, guiding visitors naturally from interest to action. Many editors display how your page may look on different devices, so check that your text is readable and buttons are easy to tap on smaller screens. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can confidently access and edit your Thinkific landing page, ensuring it looks polished and communicates your offer effectively.